how to download TikTok videos without the watermarks. How to download TikTok videos without the watermarks. I am just so excited today to show you, for those of you that have been longing to get TikTok videos without those watermarks or without the watermark around it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that very fast. You heard that right. So let's dive right in. But before we go, this is Aregbesola Akinde Samuel from Profit Online Hustles. We talk on entrepreneurship, sales and marketing, digital product creation, smartphone productivity, make money online, and so on. So the first thing you will need to do, our first step, is to go to your TikTok app on your mobile phone or your mobile device. Find the video. For instance, I want to use this video. It can work if the video is yours or from somebody else. So what you will need to do is to look for the share button. If you see the share button, fine. If you don't see the share button, just come to this three dots here, click on that three dot, and then it will show this interface for you. If it is the share button you click on, it will also show this interface for you. Thereby, you will need to now click on copy link. Can you see copy link here? So let me copy the link and then we'll go to the next step. The next step is to go to any of your browser. Here I will be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser whatsoever that you are using, and then we go to this site. You know, we are downloading without installing any app. One thing about me is I don't like some of these apps. They become too much on your phone and then it will affect your storage. So without installing any app, just go and type this website, snaptik.app. snaptik.app. Click on it. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to easily download TikTok videos without any watermark. So the step 3 is to paste the link to the TikTok video you copied earlier into this bar where they wrote paste TikTok link here. So let me do that, and then we'll click on download. The website will process it and then bring it up to you like this. So what would you need to do again is to click on download. When you click on this blue download or any of the download that you feel like using, but let me just click the first one here, and then there's an advert. You can just click this. You can see downloading and it's already downloaded. So let's click it. Can you see? There will be no watermark around that video, so you can enjoy your watermark free TikTok videos. Now you can share, you can edit, you can repurpose the video without any form of distraction. I believe you enjoyed this video, so if you do, what you will need to do for me is to come back to this video, this channel, go to videos, and then go through all of these videos and check the ones that interest you and go over it. It will bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, put a thumbs up for it, share the video to your friends who may also need it, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.